Hello boys and girls. Today I am going to show you how to make a bar graph just like this one. Now a bar graph is something that we use in math to show information. It's a way to kind of make a picture out of the information that we have. So usually a bar graph is used to show quantity, which means how much of something we have. So rather than talking about the bar graph, I think the best way to proceed is just for me to show you how to do it. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So let's see what we need to make our graph. So first we need this sheet of paper, and this is where we will actually make the graph. And what we're going to do is using this die, which goes with this worksheet, all you have to do is print it out and fold it and glue it together, and it makes a cube. And we're going to roll it, and whenever we land on one of these Earth Day objects, we are going to color in one square. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 choices. So we are going to use 6 markers, 6 different colors, so that we can see the differences between each object that we roll. So first we have an Earth with lots of hearts around it because we love the Earth, we love our planet. And then next we have a trash can because we have to make sure that we throw trash in the trash can. We don't want to throw trash on the floor. We throw it in the trash can. The next one is the recycle sign. So whenever you see this sign on something, that means that it can be recycled. Next is a tree. And we love trees because trees create oxygen and they help to keep our air clean. Plus, trees are the home for birds and squirrels and lots of little critters that live outside. Next, we have a reusable shopping bag to use for your groceries. So this helps to save a lot of waste because then instead of using the plastic ones from the grocery store, if you use this one, then you're not having to throw away the other plastic bags. And then last but not least, a recycle bin. So a recycle bin. So here's what we're going to do. The best way is just to show you. We're gonna roll it. Oh, and it landed on trash can. So let's see, I'm going to use green for the trash can. And then I am going to just color in this spot. I'm just going to fill it in. Try to make it as nice and neat as possible. Okay. All right, let's roll it again. Ready? Oh, it landed on the reusable shopping bag. So for that one, let's use yellow. So now we will fill in this yellow square. Okay, let's see what we get next. A tree. So let's use this orange for the tree. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got the reusable shopping bag again. So look, now we've rolled the reusable shopping bag 2 times. So now if you see 2, we have 2 squares in the column filled in. Okay, let's see. Oh, let's do it again. Aha, recycle, the recycle bin. So let's use this color. Okay. So now, so far, which one have we gotten the most? So far, we've rolled this one the most, the reusable shopping bag. Let's see what we roll next. Ooh, the earth with hearts. Okay, so let's see. Finally, we get to fill in this one. The only one we haven't rolled yet is the recycle sign. So let's see if we get it. Oh, it landed on the recycle bin. So that means we need this color. Now we get to fill in a second square for this one. Okay, so look, each of these filled-in squares corresponds to one roll of the die. So let's see so far, how many rolls have we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've made 7 rolls. So let's do this. Let's do 15 rolls total, and then we'll see which of these objects we rolled the most. So let's see, roll number 8. Oh, we got the reusable shopping bag again. So now we've rolled this one 3 times. We still haven't rolled the recycle sign. Oh, and there it is again, a 4th time. So far, we've rolled the reusable shopping bag the most times. And this one, the recycle sign, we've rolled the least amount of times. So let's see. Oh, we got it. The recycle sign. So we'll fill in this with purple. It was the only color that we hadn't used yet. I'm trying to do it as neatly as I can while also making sure that you can see everything on the camera. So I apologize if it's looks a little bit wacky. Okay, so let's see now, how many rolls have we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's see if we can do 5 more rolls. Oh, we got the trash can, so we need green. Okay, let's do it again. The recycle bin. Okay, let's see. Oh, it landed on the reusable shopping bag a 5th time. So hopefully it doesn't land on that one again, because look, we already filled up this column. This bar goes all the way to the top, to 5. Okay, let's see. That one landed on the earth. So let's fill it in here. And you know what? Let's just do one more roll. I'm not sure exactly how many, but let's just do one last one. Oh no, it fell on the floor. Let's see what it is. It's the tree. So we'll use orange and fill in the tree. There we go. And let's see how many rolls we ended up doing total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We did it. We made 15 rolls. And look which one we got the most. We found the reusable shopping bag 5 times. So this one we found the most. And the recycle symbol, only 1 time. That's the least. Okay, boys and girls, so here is your completed bar graph. Each of these bars or columns tells you how much of each of these objects you rolled. So this is what this bar graph does. It gives us information about how many times each object was rolled. So let's see, the earth, we rolled it 2 times, and you see we filled in 2 squares. The trash can, we rolled it 2 times also, 1, 2. The recycle symbol, we only rolled 1 time. That one is the least. You see it only goes up to the number 1. The tree, we also rolled it 2 times because we filled in 2 squares. The reusable shopping bag, we rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And that one is the most. And we had to fill it in all the way to the top of the bar graph. If we had rolled it a 6th time, we wouldn't have had a place to put it. So luckily, we only found it 5 times. And then last but not least, the recycle bin, we found 1, 2, 3 times. So we filled in 3 squares. And look, if you go across, it corresponds to the number 3. So this is our bar graph that gives us information about how many times we rolled each of these Earth Day objects. So that's what a bar graph does. It gives you information about how much of something there is. All right, so I hope you learned a lot today. I hope you enjoy making a beautiful, colorful bar graph just like this one. I hope you have an excellent day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.